The heavy rain makes the water rise up and lead to the flash flood. This situation occurs maybe because of the unplanned drainage system. Let's find out the answer, is it true or not?
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you?
I'm fine today.
I just want to know your opinion. Do you think the flash flood that happened in UMT is caused by unplanned drainage system?
Okay, yes, I agree with the statement that the flash flood happens in UMT. It happened because of the improper drainage system in our university. I would like to take an example like the last semester. The flash flood had happened in our university. It is because the improper of drainage system, like I said before. So I have my own reason for saying that statement because in our university, the drainage system, like I observed before this, it has a narrow shape and a shallow drainage. So it can't support a huge amount of water. Therefore, when the heavy rain happens, the water might overflow and cause the floods in our university.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Give me the light, you are my sunrise. 너 없는 난 아무것도 아냐. 넌 내 마지막 you're my best. 언제까지나 you're my last. 네가 불길이라도 난 뛰어들게. 너와 나의 저 하늘을 걷게. 물들인 저 이별을 어서 지워줘. 더 이상 내가 다가갈 수 없게. 너를 바라볼 수 없게. 네 곁에 머물고 싶어. Because I'm shadow. 간절하게 원하고 있는데 눈부셨던 그때로 나 돌아갈래. 그림자처럼 항상 함께였던 아름다운 네 미소가 날 비추고. Because I'm shadow. Early in the morning 오늘도 역시 The sun is shining. 빛은 사라졌지 널 데리고서 저 멀리. Give me the light, you are my sunrise. 너 없는 난 아무것도 아냐. 넌 내 마지막 you're my last. 언제까지나 you're my last. 네가 불길이라도 난 뛰어들게. 너와 나의 저 하늘을 걷게. 물들인 저 이별을 어서 지워줘. 더 이상 내가 다가갈 수 없게. 너를 바라볼 수 없게. 네 곁에 머물고 싶어. Because I'm shadow. 간절하게 원하고 있는데 눈부셨던 그때로 나 돌아갈래. 그림자처럼 항상 함께였던 아름다운 네 미소가 날 비추고. Because I'm shadow.
In a nutshell, we can conclude that the flash flood that happened in UMT is caused by the unplanned drainage system. So, we as a student UMT must act in a right way which is complain to the responsible party. I am Aimia Tina for the EAC Live. Thank you.